been a while since I made a air conditioning or heat pump video. I think I remember it was about 2010. This thing's getting service today. Oh, come to think about it, I found out it was an '07, not an '06. Sorry, it's annoying when I do that. Ooh, it's a cardinal right there. And captured by a iPhone camera. Found out that the fan on this thing is slow and burning up or something. And we're about 1 pound short on refrigerant. She's a good looking heat pump. Overgrowth over time. There's Uncle Joe's mantle clock there. Oh my god, I can barely go back here. It's like so overgrown. And there she is behind these bushes. Ugh. Fountain is disgusting. Maybe now 11, about 12 years old now. 12-year-old unit. I had good times with this unit. I remember that one time I literally got a lucky shot of it defrosting. And back in winter. Oh, it's shut off. Wow. Yeah. She's a beauty. And that, you see, that's pretty much it. You can tell the fan is running slow because it slows down slowly. Yeah. Oh well, guys. Short. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. Well. Did you see how cool that was? Did you hear that? That was cool. Glad I didn't stop the video to capture that. I think the reversing valve kicked in. Yeah. Got so overgrowth back there, it's not even funny. Just think that I was so small to firstly film a heat pump, and now I'm 21 years old and I'm still filming it. I gotta make more air conditioning videos than have been these past 8 years, I guess. But yeah, this thing's it's old and fans. Oh, and the refrigerant's leaking as well. Plus the thing, I don't even want to go back there, but let's see. Fan slow. Running out of refrigerant. We're about 1.1.5 pound short on refrigerant, and the fan is slow, and the refrigerant is leaking. All the three things I keep repeating. It's a carrier. Turn to the experts. As for the old unit here, this thing's lasting longer than most. I don't even know what year this thing is. There's my neighbor's carrier right there. And I don't really know what model it is. And there's one back there, which I won't go back there because apparently... What? Is it on? No, can't be on. Okay, never mind. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. I don't know about you, but this fan sounds like it's new. It must have oiled the bearing. It was making a lot of noise, but wow, it literally sounds like sounds just like, almost sounds like the day we just bought it. It's awesome. See the data sheet starting to fade. I'm just gonna get a snapshot of that just in case you don't know the model number or anything. See that? I said there was a burning smell. I'm surprised that there isn't. Dare to touch this? I think that's cold. Oh wait, that's the warm. Sorry, this is the warm. That's the cold. Oh yeah, it feels a lot colder than. Is that? I don't think it's refrigerant. I think it's sweat. I think, like I said earlier, I think they said the refrigerant is leaking on this thing. I don't see any signs. Maybe I'm crazy, but I don't know. Wow, you can hear it sounds a lot quieter than it has been ever since it's getting old. He must have oiled the fan. The fan really sounds like it's new. Look at this, guys. I've never seen so many ants in my life. Look at that. There must be something going on there. And it's weird. It's like, doesn't it almost feel like, do you ever notice the fact that ants are almost like humans? That's what people say. People like ants are as smart, as pretty much as intelligent as humans. Oh yeah, that's a spider. That's a spider. Oh man, look at that. See a little bit. Looks like he got something too. He got his dinner alright. Yeah. I need to trim this freaking bush down. It's way overgrowth back there. I don't think I've filmed this before, but for the new... Sorry about that, my camera got full on my phone. What's that reading there? Okay, as I was up to talking about this, then about 20,000, now it's saying 20,000 and one whatever reads. I want to make sure I wonder what the audio sounds like on the Nikon. Some cameras have a different tone, different tune, buzzing sound on their audio systems. I don't know if it's the software or what. Yeah, I don't even smell anything. All I smell is all I smell is nothing. I don't even smell any burning smell whatsoever. Oh, God. This needs trim so bad, I swear. I hate repeating it every time, but yeah. I need to clean the lens a little bit. And this light, we never even use this light anymore. Put in that light a couple years ago. And that drain, you don't clean out that drain, it will flood the family room. I guess we have to get going, guys. Thanks for watching.